All right, let's get started. I don't know what the intro of this video is going to be, and I don't know how it even sounds. Hopefully the sound quality is all right. I'm doing an oil change on my van, and this is everything I'm gonna need for now. The weather is not too happy today, but I've got to do it because I've got jobs to do, I've got money to make, so let's go ahead and do that now. There might be some music in the background. This is just gonna be a chill video. Not many cuts, not many videos, not many cuts, I mean not much editing, just me working on the van. Let's just jack it from here. Oh, don't tell me you're having the problem. No. So there's this thing here that always gets stuck. No. Should work now. So as I was saying, this is gonna be like a one-to-one thing where I'm just gonna do my oil change. I'm gonna chat a lot of rubbish. Maybe you guys might learn something. All right, so I decided to do like a major kind of cleanup thing. All right, for some reason, yeah, my dad decided to put this in here. And there is a bunch of tools in here that I've been looking for a while. Even this, the grinding disc, not the grinding odd, but this is kind of gone anyways. But yeah, look, this little bag has got a bunch of tools that I need. So I need to clean up this place. And since I've dropped it, come on guys, I can do it. Go on. And then you go like this, and then what was it? It was, what? And then you go, no, wait, and then you go, ooh, I've lost practice, and then you go, ooh, no, I've lost practice. I haven't done it in a while. I think it's because I'm recording, I'm a bit of camera shy. I don't need that anymore. So this is what I was looking for. I was so tempted to go to Halfords, but I said it has to be somewhere in here. I did move the intercooler to the other place, but yeah, it's here. Thing I gotta do. I gotta get you guys some light down there. That's what I've gotta do. To get you some light down there, I'm gonna have to use this. Alright, so got a plug. I need this now. Alright, so I don't know how many minutes is into the video, but I'll let you guys know you have wasted your time if you have watched up to here. If you've watched up to here, I have wasted your time, but thank you for supporting me and watching me being special. All right, that's done. I forgot one thing at the back, and that's annoying. Let me open this up. Push it under. All right, now all I need is your love tonight. Was that a 13? No, that's not a 13. What the heck is this? It's an 18. No, it's a 19. So I swear. If it's bigger than a 9. Okay, yeah, it's a 19. Alright, okay. Sorted. Grab these bits now. Off we go on. Normally this takes a couple minutes. Oh, I'm stupid. Well, that's not the right one. Wait a minute. This one is not square. I was about to say, I was a little bit confused there. Off we go under. Thing is, I can't remember. Oh, I freaking dropped all of them. That's great. No. Yes. No, not that one. This one. Yeah, it is that one. All right, so put this on. All right, so once you're okay, your oil sump. Most of the cars don't have this. What you want to do is stick it in there. All right, now, thing is this, yeah. A lot of people get confused. All right, this is very simple. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Yeah. So when you're facing it this way, left becomes right. So you want to pull to the right, if that makes sense. When you're facing it this way, when you're facing it that way is correct. So if I want to open it, all I gotta do is go that way. There you go, and that's done. Has Mr. Mario's got the skills to not get oil all over his hand? And the thing is, this is quite hot oil. All right, I just gotta go like this, and it's ready to come off in 3, 2, 1. Well, that wasn't clean. Oh my, no! Oh my knees! I dropped it. What did I say I don't want to do? Drop it in the oil. What did I do? Drop it. Oh, the oil's burning. The oil was burning indeed. Alright, okay. So now that is happening. I did bring a cloth because I knew this was gonna happen. But you know what I forgot? The brake cleaner. Which is great. The question is, where did I put the cloth? Oh, fudge it. I'll just grab one of these ones. Oh, that's already all out. Oh wow, that's less oil than I was expecting. Alright, so what we want to do is pull this. Well done, Marius. You forgot to pull it first. Pull it up, open this, and go like this. Yeah, try not to spill as much as you're spilling, but that's fine. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, just to let you know, the oil goes into a drum and then the drum gets disposed at the local recycle center. So please don't be an idiot and please don't put it down the drain or on the floor or on the ground. Please don't do that. I don't like people that do that. Give it a nice clean. I believe this is a magnet at the end and I see no shavings, so that's great. Now, I'll be honest with you. This ring here has been on for a very long time and I am not planning to take it out. I'll be honest. Oh, why is it dripping like that? Is that oil or is there something hanging? There is... What is this? Wait a minute. Did I just catch it? There's no way it was this hair. Should I be a little bit concerned? Maybe, maybe not. Well, obviously not all the oil is gonna come off, but here's what it is. Let's close it up. Let's just not talk about the state of my oil, please. Like, I will actually appreciate it if we don't talk about it. This oil, I change my oil every 8,000 to 9,000 miles. Reason why is because I spend a lot of hours with my engine on. Way too many than you can imagine. Obviously, when that happens, you do end up... What am I doing? It's this way. You do end up using it quite a lot, and when you spend so many hours driving around, like for example tomorrow I am due to do at least, what was it, 750 miles. All right, this one, I believe this was a 34, no not 34, 28 or 29. We shall change the oil filter now. Oil, by the way, £90 for 20 liters. Oh, I didn't need that. I believe I need this. Was it 32 or 30 or 27? I know my tool set is not full. I need to clear up the whole bag. Nope, yep, that is the one. Alright, so there you go. Just let it drip for a little bit. Quite a little bit of oil in this. Like generally, this oil, oh my lord, like I don't know if you can see this, but this is not even oil anymore at this point. Like normally when you get a bit of oil and you drag it down, it becomes brownish, and that's how you know your oil, like maybe here you can see still a little bit brownish, but this is proper gone. That should be off now. Yeah, correct. Oh my god, is that even an oil filter anymore? If my dad were to see this oil right now and this filter, he will generally be screaming at me. Very great. Let's pull it off. Oh my lord, it's stuck in there. Here you go. Off we get a brake cleaner, clean this up. And this obviously. Great. I do like it to give a good clean. We'll let that dry. Oh, you know what I didn't bring? I can't be asked to go to the back. Oh, there is this here. I can try it. This. Probably this will work. Nope. The thing is this, yeah. Oh my lord, nearly dropped. The thing is this with the gloves, yeah. I don't like it because you don't get the feeling out of it. So unless I'm doing something major where I am definitely gonna hurt myself, then yeah, I do like to use them because they do save you from like scratches, or you know, when you do have a pretty gnarly hit or something, they give a bit of cushion, so it's all right. A little bit of brake cleaner in the oil won't be bad. This is a filter. I paid about a couple quid for it. It will do the job. It's what I always use and what I always put on. Oil filter. There is no way. There's not like it goes this way or it goes this way. There's no difference. Yeah. I like to put it with letters facing this way. Dip your oil in, your finger in a bit of oil and just go like this. We go again. That is stopped leaking, which is great. And we close this up again. So I'll be honest with you, I do, normally they say use your hand, but I can't be arsed right now. Right, apparently the GoPro is getting too hot, so let me just get this down quickly. I've already taken everything out. I've just got to pull this. There you go. Let's take... Yeah, we drop this off. Actually leaving it open sometimes does help. Now the fun begins. I'll be back when I'm done with this because this takes a long time. Oh, fair enough. It is already getting there. It's about halfway there. Just a little bit more oil. I hate checking the oil in this car. Oh, that is perfect. Let's give the van a start. Thank you for watching, and thank you for joining me on changing my oil in my van. I'm gonna show you something sick. I have got starlights on the van, so some new videos are coming out